Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can update your headshot across your command profiles. So there used to be 3 different places where you needed to update it. They did just change it, and it is now only 2 places. So I want to show you both of those places where you can update your headshot. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to log into command, which is agent.kw.com with our KW login credentials. And the first place we want to go is My Profile. So if you click your name in the top right corner, drop-down menu will appear, and we're going to click My Profile. Once we're here, we're going to go to the About Me section. So this headshot right here is going to be the internal profile. So it's going to show internally to other KW members. So if they're looking you up in referrals as a referral partner, this is the information that they're going to see right here. And this is also the information your market center would see. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to click Edit. And then we're going to say, choose another image for our profile photo here. We do recommend when you are finding that headshot that it is 360 by 360 pixels. Otherwise, it can stretch kind of funny or chop off your head, which obviously we don't want. So we're going to go ahead and select that headshot. We'll click Save Changes, and we'll see that it has been updated in the bottom right corner. We're going to go back to our command home. And the second place we want to update that is going to be our marketing profile. So the marketing profile is going to be more of your external profile. So it's what people are going to see on your KW agent site, the headshot that they'll see in your emails and designs and things like that sent through command. So we're going to go to our marketing profile. So we're going to go down the left-hand side all the way to the bottom to the website's applet. Give that a second to load. And then we're going to go to Manage Settings. We're going to go My Photo. And then you're going to see this section right here where we can choose that image. So I'm going to say choose a different image. Again, it does have to be 360 by 360 pixels. Just so that we can make sure that it is appearing properly, not stretched funny or anything like that. So we'll say select there. And then we would just click Save, and that will let us know when it has been saved. We also have the option to crop that image if we need to. So we can just say crop image, and it's going to allow us to drag and drop where it is showing on here. Maybe we want to make it a little bigger, smaller. That was not what I meant to do, but we can select the whole photo, or we can zoom in on the part that we want to. So we have that option there as well. We can center it, then click Save, and then just save again, and it will be updated. If you have any questions or run into any snags, please feel free to reach out to us. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always here to help you out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.